Good morning everyone. We are discussing about the first chapter numbers up to 100. Numbers up to 100. In that we are today discussing about exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. In that today topic before, after, and between. Before, after and between. See example. Here three balls are there. First ball A, second one B, next one C. First ball A, second ball B, third ball C. Here first before. Ball A is before ball B. Ball A is before ball B. This one ball A is before the ball B. Before. Next ball C is after ball B. Ball C is after ball B. Okay, ball C is before ball B. Next, between. Ball B is between A and C. Ball B is between ball A and ball C. Okay, ball A is before ball B. Ball C is after ball B. Ball B is between A and C. Ball A and ball C. This is okay, before, after and between. Now we take number line. Number line from 1 to see, we take from 1 to 20. Here first before. Example 13, 14. Here before. Here first we gave dash, after 13, 14. Before 13 and 14 what number are there? Okay, before 13 and 14 which number is there? Here we see number line. Before 13 and 14 which number is there? 12. Next 9 and 10. Before 9 and 10 what number is there? Which number is there? 8. Next 19, 20. 19, 20. Before 19 and 20, which number are there? 18. This is example for before. Next, after. 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 See, after. What numbers are given? 6, 7. 6, 7 after what number are there? 6 and 7 after what number? Which number are there? 8. Next, 15 and 16. 15 and 16. 15 and 16 after what number are there? 17. 15 and 16 after 17. Next, here 10 and 11. 10 and 11. 10 and 11 after which number are there? 10 and 11 after 12. Okay, this is examples for after. Next, between. 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 See, between. 4 and 6 between which number is there? 4 and 6 between which number is there? 5. 5. Next, 10 and 12. 10 and 12 between which number is there? 11. Next, 16 and 18. 16 and 18 between which number are there? 17. Okay, this is example for between. Okay, this is before, after and between. Before. Okay, before, after and between. See, for example, before. Here we put duster and chalk piece. Chalk piece is before the duster. Chalk piece is before the duster. Next, here we put this chalk piece. Chalk piece is after the duster. Chalk piece is after the duster. Here we take 2 chalk pieces. Here, like this we put. Duster is between 2 chalk pieces. Duster is between 2 chalk pieces. Okay, these are examples for before, after and between. Okay, thank you.